Welcome, dear friends. Today, we embark on a journey of inspiration and empowerment. It's about living your best life filled with adventure, purpose, and joy. We'll explore the world together, uncovering travel secrets and practical tips. We'll unlock the keys to financial freedom, building wealth step by step. And most importantly, we'll delve into the power of personal growth, resilience, and achieving your dreams. Get ready to be inspired. Let's unlock the extraordinary within you. This is your time to shine. Let's begin to.
Travel is transformative. It broadens horizons, sparks joy, and creates lasting memories. But planning a trip can feel overwhelming. Fear not. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, there's a journey for everyone. Start small. Explore your own city like a tourist. Visit local museums, parks, and historical sites. Next, venture further. Choose destinations that ignite your passion. Love history? Explore ancient ruins in Rome. Yearning for beaches? The Caribbean awaits. Research destinations thoroughly. Utilize travel blogs, online reviews, and guidebooks. Most importantly, pack light, embrace spontaneity, and savor every moment.
Financial freedom is within reach for everyone. It's not about millions, it's about peace of mind and pursuing your passions. Start with a budget. Track your income and expenses. Identify areas to save and invest. Small changes make a big difference. Next, explore passive income streams. This could be renting a spare room, selling handmade crafts online, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Remember, knowledge is power. Read books, attend webinars, and consult with financial advisors. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow.
Rising above stories of resilience and triumph. Life is full of challenges. It's how we overcome them that defines us. I've faced my share of adversity. From a difficult childhood to navigating the entertainment industry, I've learned resilience is key. One story that resonates deeply is that of Malala Yousafzai. This young woman bravely fought for education rights in the face of danger. She inspires us to stand up for what we believe in, no matter the obstacles. Another extraordinary individual is Dr. Tererai Trent. Despite poverty and limited opportunities, she dreamed of earning a PhD. With unwavering determination, she achieved her goal, proving that anything is possible. These stories remind us that within each of us lies incredible strength. We can overcome anything with courage and belief in ourselves. The power within. Unleashing your potential. We all possess unique talents and potential waiting to be unleashed. The first step is believing in yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Identify your passions. What sets your soul on fire? What brings you joy? Pursue those passions relentlessly. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Growth happens when we challenge ourselves. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek mentors, join supportive communities, and feed your mind with inspiring content. Remember, your potential is limitless.